So guys, in a SketchUp you can directly change the segments of circle just pressing Ctrl plus or minus. Okay, so what you'll have to do, just draw a circle. Then you can see this is the showing a radius. So if you want to change the segments of circle, you just have to press Ctrl with plus or minus. If you will press Ctrl plus, your segment will be increased, and if you will press Ctrl with minus, your segment will be decreased. Okay, so you have to just follow this trick after just drawing a circle. Okay, so you can see here I am just pressing Ctrl minus to decrease the segment. Okay, so minimum segment is 3 and maximum is unlimited. Okay guys, so this is the cool trick you must have to know. So if you really like my video, please follow my Facebook, and you can follow me on YouTube also. Thank you.